Welcome to this tutorial on how to get Interactive Brokers Pro. First, you need to visit the Interactive Brokers website. Once there, look for the Open Account button or a similar link. Click on it, and you will be directed to a page where you can start the registration process. During the registration, you will need to provide some personal information including your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure the information is accurate, as it will be used for identity verification. You will also select your account type. For professional trading, choose the appropriate account option that suits your needs. After filling out the required forms, you may need to verify your identity. This can involve uploading documents such as your government-issued ID or proof of residency. Follow the instructions provided on the website carefully to complete this step. Once your documents are submitted, wait for confirmation from Interactive Brokers that your account is active. Finally, once your account is set up and approved, log into the platform. Explore the various tools and features that Interactive Brokers Pro offers, such as advanced charting, real-time market data, and trading analytics. Familiarize yourself with the platform to make the most out of your trading experience. Good luck with your trading journey.